If you want to code in specific, then what you can actually use is use the code mode inside of Qwen. So to do that, you need to go around onto more, and here you can see that code is an option. So here it says help me right here, write a script to automate file backups right here, or design a responsive portfolio site right here. So you can choose from one of those templates as well. And once you do that, you can actually see that it gives you the code right here of a responsive base right here, just like this. So you can see that it gives you the file structure that you have to have a portfolio folder right here. Then it says that you need to create index.html and styles.css, and then you can see that you actually have everything coded out right here, just like this. So this is what you can do, and you can see that it tells you what you need to code for styles right here, just like this, and you can copy this to clipboard, or you can copy this to clipboard and make those files as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and utilize the code specific feature inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.